I have a fish on the fly, y'all. Oh my god. Look. I can get him in. He on the littlest, the smallest. Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl, Maisha Renee, aka Glitter and Gills, and I'm out here getting ready to do some little fishing again. Night fishing, of course. I just been loving them, and at night, I can get out here and just like really get on them, and they literally hunt at night, so it's actually been doing me like pretty cool. So I don't have like a tripod set up, none of that, so I'm gonna see if I can get on something again. I'm at the spot that I really love, so hopefully I can get on some fish and I can show you guys and kind of tune in every now and then and let you see what's happening. It's super dark out here. But it's good out here, you guys. So if you guys are questioning if bass bite at night, yes they do. I literally caught like my PB 8.35 pounder out here at night, so they're out here, you guys. So let me go ahead and get it going. What am I fishing with? It's dark so I can't see. Let's see. This is what I'm gonna start off with. Where you at? I'm gonna start out with this. I put a little chartreuse on the tip. Throwing my bait caster. Let me see. Yep, good old mock. So hopefully I can get you guys on some good content here. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I really appreciate you guys supporting my channel. Well, if y'all look, this is what I got. But right now, I think the fish are like tripping because this spot is usually hot. So this is what I got. I had to show y'all something. No skunk. All right, dink sober stinks. I must keep trying. I'm gonna be out like for 1 more hour. All right. Look, y'all, so got another one a little bit bigger, getting a little bit better out here. It's funny, as soon as the coyotes started barking, we were just like, the coyotes, everybody, mosquitoes, everybody gone. But as soon as they started barking, we got a bite. So look, they out here, even though it's a little chilly, still good. So we're gonna keep going. All right, so maybe 30 more minutes. All right, let's get some more. Get them over these woods. All right, y'all, so I'm throwing this back out again. Hopefully I can get something. I'm gonna cast out really quick. All right, y'all. You ain't the one that broke me off, but you nice. Oh my goodness, you nice. I want some more of that grass, that bass on the side of grass. Y'all just got broke off by something so big and he jumped. This is his little cousin, but I guarantee you he was way bigger. Look at that, like a little snail on his belly. Can you see that? That's crazy. Get that off of you. I'm gonna try to go back out, and it's crazy because he broke me off and then he's like darted way over to the other side, but then he kept jumping because you know they don't like that jury in their mouth. I'm gonna try again, you guys. Catching them with that right there. Thanks, dude. Y'all, I have a fish on the fly, y'all. Oh my god. Look. I can get him in. He on the littlest, the smallest. know he was that big, y'all, on the fly ride. Oh my God. I did not know he was that big. Is my light on? Oh my gosh, you guys, I did not know he was that big. Look at this. Fly girl, my. Boy, I did not know he was this big.
I know that's big either.
What the?
How big is that? We have to weigh him. Just
Where's the
hold it up. You see it?
Yo, I did not know. I was like, get the. Oh, he ate that. It's a little bitty bluegill. I was like trying to see if I can catch like. Oh my gosh. Look. Look, y'all. He is gone. It's a little bitty, like, oh, I like that. I like that fly. It looks like a little worm. I can't believe this. Oh, let's weigh him. Look at this one, y'all. That's a nice chunk. Look at that sucker. It's 3 pounds easily. That's a nice one right there. Gosh. Really nice. Look at him. Nice and pretty. They out here really good, y'all. Getting ready to turn it in. That was one more for the team. I got one. All right. That's another one, y'all. They biting. Fall bite. Come here. Get it out your mouth. They eating too. They trying to like literally swallow them. Oh, let me see. Where's my scissors? Oh, can you turn that light over here real quick? I can't see my scissors. On board, I mean a worm so big. There you go. All right, y'all. As they hidden black and blue. Nice feisty guy. All right. Let's go get some more. All right, y'all, so they biting the black and blue tonight. Let's see if we can get some more. I'm putting a small little split shot on it. Let's see. Okay, so I got my pole out here. Talk to y'all really quick and everything. So it's so calm right now. Like it was a little windy when we first got out here, but it's so calm right now. But the temperature definitely has dropped. Like we definitely feeling the difference. Today it was like really cool too. So everybody that's fishing the Delta right now, I'm sure you can tell a difference. But what is different is that last year I kind of struggled with the fall bite, but right now it's kind of good. I'm trying to jig and talk to y'all at the same time. Apologize for not always being able to get all the catches for y'all, because you know I'll be kind of like fishing and then I want to save my little camera time, but I try to get as many as I can. But I be needing my phone to be charged, y'all. So, but I'm gonna pause it right now. If I get something, I'm gonna go ahead and get it back on for y'all. Hey, what's up, y'all? Look at out here getting them. Now it's officially fall bite. It's cold. It's like 63 degrees right now, and I'm not feeling this. I'm spoiled with that Cali weather, but they still biting. This like my third one off that black and blue. They still biting. It's a nice guy right here. Still getting them. They can't stop me. Here's the first one, first of the night. Out here, back out here. It's a little cooler tonight, so we can say they do, but they biting so far. So, you know, I'm on this bite bass, this night bass series. So here we go. All right. Go tell your folks we out here. Look, y'all, got a nice one. Bite been kind of slow, but they still biting. Got that, and I put a little tasty little piece of a little worm on there. But look how he hit it. He blew it up. So they still biting, y'all, but it's really slow. You can tell the difference. But we're gonna throw them back. Thanks, dude. I'm still out here. Hey, y'all, look. Caught another one. Soon the coyotes once again started doing that. Every time they do it, I get a fish. It's crazy. Look, y'all. Here go another one. Thanks, little dude. Go tell your grandpa I said he owe me that money. Alright. Come on, little dude. Woo! That's a nasty release. Alright, y'all. Here's another one. It's a nice one right here. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. It's a nice one. They stopped biting for like maybe 30 minutes and they started right back up. So here go another one, y'all. All right, let me see if I can get some more. The bite is still good. It's about 11 o'clock right now. No, I think maybe like almost 12. It's still late, but yeah. All right, here's another one, y'all. That same little stick bait that broke in half. It kind of like the same size right now. Still a fun bite though. All right, get it back out here. Literally, I just been throwing. What I'm kind of figuring out is that for the night, of course we know black and blue. The crawl color's been doing really good. Chartreuse has been doing really good. And then like green pumpkin. So I just kind of been basically just trying to see what's biting at night and just having fun with it. There go another little guy. They biting. So I got him on. All right, some more. I can get back out there. Look at this. This is called not minding your business. That is ridiculous. at the party. Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl Maisha Renee, aka Glittering Gills, and I'm out here again doing more night fishing. Went out and decided we wanted to go ahead before we go home, stop and do some fishing. So I'm getting ready to throw out. I'm gonna let you guys know what I catch. Hopefully I get something good. I got broke off 3 times really big the other day, so wish me luck. What's up, you guys? I got one more. That's really biting. The weather has definitely changed. It's windy within just like a week, and I can tell the difference already. So we'll see how it goes tonight. It's a little chilly, but they're biting a little. Look, y'all, got a little fishy. But look, I'm taking them. All right, y'all, let's see if we can get some more.